How to start a Murray riding lawnmower. So there's a pressure switch down here, so make sure that the seat's down. Over to your left you have your throttle. Basically there's a little notch in here, that's about where you want to be. So I'm going to put that forward about 75% of the way. This is effectively where you want the blade to be. So up this way is high, down this way is very low. So we'll just put it here for now. On the other side, you want to make sure that you're starting in neutral. So this is neutral, this is reversed, and these are basically the speeds. So 5 is going to be the fastest, and 1 is going to be the slowest. Neutral means it's not moving, and if you go back to this position, it's going to be reverse. Basically, this is disengaged, meaning the blade is not spinning. Forward is when you engage the blade, so we're going to start it with it disengaged. Now, I have the parking brake on right now, but effectively you want to make sure that this pedal is down. You can either put your foot there or you could hold the brake, and that's fine either way. So you can put it where your foot's on it. Effectively, I'm just going to put the key in. I'm going to turn right. So then I can go here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.